Why focus is your superpower. What separates the most successful people from the rest? Focus. In today's world, distractions are everywhere. Your phone, social media, endless notifications, all designed to steal your attention. But here's the truth. Success doesn't come from working harder. It comes from working smarter with deep focus. In this video, we'll break down scientifically proven techniques to train your mind, eliminate distractions, and build unshakable concentration. Let's get started. Every time you get distracted, your brain takes 23 minutes to refocus. Think about that. Every notification, every quick scroll on social media is costing you valuable time. Your attention is your most valuable resource, and if you don't protect it, someone else will use it for their gain. So how do we fight back? Let's dive in. Your brain is like a muscle. The more you train it to focus, the stronger it becomes. Neuroscientists call this neuroplasticity, your ability to rewire your brain through repeated habits. The best way to improve focus? Eliminate distractions and train your attention span daily. Let's talk about some powerful techniques to do this. Research shows that our brains work best in 90-minute focus cycles. Here's how to use this technique. 1. Set a timer for 90 minutes. 2. Remove distractions, turn off notifications, find a quiet space. 3. Work with deep focus until the timer ends. 4. Take a 15-minute break, then repeat. This method syncs with your brain's natural rhythm, helping you get more done in less time. To sharpen your focus, you must remove distractions before they remove you. Heavy checkmark, turn off notifications. Your phone is designed to steal your attention. Heavy checkmark use, do not disturb mode, protect your deep work time. Heavy checkmark, block distracting websites, use apps like Freedom or Cold Turkey. Heavy checkmark, create a dedicated workspace, train your brain to associate it with focus. If 90-minute focus blocks feel overwhelming, try the Pomodoro Technique. 1. Work for 25 minutes with full concentration. 2. Take a 5-minute break. 3. Repeat 4 times, then take a longer break. This method keeps your brain fresh and maximizes efficiency. Focus isn't just about eliminating distractions, it's about having the right mindset. Growth mindset. Believe that you can train your brain to focus. Delayed gratification. Choose long-term success over short-term pleasure. Visualization. Picture yourself achieving your goals before you start. Your morning sets the tone for your entire day. Here's how to build a focus-boosting morning routine. Heavy checkmark, wake up early and avoid your phone for the first hour. Heavy checkmark, do a short meditation or breathing exercise. Heavy checkmark, write down your top 3 priorities for the day. Heavy checkmark, move your body. Exercise enhances focus and energy. There's a state of mind where time disappears, distractions fade, and you perform at your absolute best. This is called flow state. To enter flow state, 1. Eliminate all distractions before starting. 2. Work on one task at a time. Multitasking kills focus. 3. Challenge yourself. Tasks should be neither too easy nor too hard. Once you master flow state, your productivity will skyrocket. Want to boost your focus every day? Add these habits to your routine. Heavy checkmark meditation. Trains your brain to ignore distractions. Heavy checkmark exercise. Keeps your mind sharp and energy levels high. Heavy checkmark journaling. Clears mental clutter and improves decision-making. Heavy checkmark healthy diet. Foods like blueberries, nuts, and green tea enhance concentration. Small daily habits lead to massive results over time. If you struggle with procrastination, try this. The 2-minute rule. If a task takes less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. If it takes longer, start with just 2 minutes. Often, getting started is the hardest part. This simple rule eliminates hesitation and builds momentum. Focus is the ultimate superpower in today's world. If you apply these strategies, you'll notice. White heavy checkmark, better productivity. White heavy checkmark, stronger mental discipline. White heavy checkmark, faster progress toward your goals. Now it's your turn. Which focus technique will you try first? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more self-improvement tips on focus mindset.